Explain the process of creating, running, and debugging an Android application. Also describe the Android project structure. Steps to create an Android application. Step 1. Install Android Studio. Step 1. Install Android Studio. Download and install Android Studio, the official IDE for Android development. Requirements: Java Development Kit JDK, Android SDK, Android Emulator AVD. Step 2. Create new project. Open Android Studio, click new project, select a template, example empty activity. Enter application name, package name, language, minimum SDK version. 5th, click finish. Android Studio automatically creates the project structure. Step 3. Design the user interface. The UI is designed using XML in the res layout folder. Example components are text view, button, edit text, image view, recycler view. The layout editor also allows drag and drop design. Step 4. Write the program code. The application logic is written in Java or Kotlin. Example: handle button clicks, process user input, connect to a database or API. Step 5. Build the application. Android Studio compiles the source code and resources it into an APK, and that is Android package. During this process, code is compiled, resources are processed, and APK is generated. Running an Android application. An Android application can be run on Android Emulator, a virtual Android device used for testing. Second, physical Android device. Connect the phone using USB cable and enable developer options and USB debugging. Steps to run. Click the run button. Select an emulator or connected device. Android Studio installs the APK. The application launches automatically. Debugging an Android application. Debugging is the process of identifying, analyzing and fixing errors or bugs in an application to ensure it works correctly. Debugging techniques. Logcat. A logcat displays error message, warnings, debug information, and application logs. It helps developers identify runtime issues. Second, breakpoints. A breakpoint pauses program execution at a specific line. Benefits: inspect variables, check program flows, find logical errors. Step 3. Step execution. Developers execute code step by step into, step over, step out. This helps understand how the code executes. 4. Exception analysis. Android Studio displays stack traces for exceptions such as null pointer exception, arithmetic exception, array index, out of bounds exception. This helps locate the exact source of error. 5. Emulator testing. The Android emulator allows testing on different Android versions, screen sizes, RAM configuration, and device types. Physical device test 6. Physical device testing. Testing on real devices help identify performance issues, hardware compatibility problems, battery usage, camera and sensor behavior. 7. Performance Profiler. Android Studio provides tools to monitor CPU usage, memory usage, network activity, battery consumption. This helps optimize application performance. Android project structure. The Android project is organized into folders and files, each with a specific purpose. The Android project is organized into folders and files, each with a specific purpose. सबसे पहले हम माई एप्लीकेशन लिखेंगे, इसके टाइप्स बनाएंगे और इसके टाइप्स में एक आएगा एप्स और दूसरा आएगा ऐप और दूसरा आएगा फाइल नीचे. ऐप के आएंगे दो टाइप्स, एक तो आएगा मैनिफेस्ट के साइड से जाएगा एंड्रॉयड मैनिफेस्ट XML और जावा दूसरा ऐप का दूसरा जावा और जावा के नीचे जाएगा जावा और कॉटलिन सोर्स. फिर माई एप्लीकेशन का दूसरा फाइल्स का जाएगा एक तो रेस जिसमें लेआउट, फिर रेस्ट का जाएगा नीचे लेआउट, फिर ड्रॉएबल, फिर मैप, फिर वैल्यूज़, फिर मेन्यू और फाइल्स का दूसरा जाएगा ग्रैडल स्क्रिप्ट्स. फिर है मेन कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर. एंड्रॉयड मैनिफेस्ट XML. The configuration file that contains app name, package name, permission, activities, service, broadcast receivers, and content providers. Java Kotlin folders contains the application's source code. Example main activity.java, login activity.java. Third, REST folder stores all application resources. Layout contains XML layout files. Example activity underscore main.xml. Drawable stores images and graphics. Map stores launcher icons. Values contains strings.xml, colors.xml, styles.xml, themes.xml. Menu stores menu layout files. फिर है fourth, Gradle scripts. Gradle is the build system that compiles code, manages dependencies, builds APK files, configures the project. Advantages of Android Studio. Official IDE by Google. Smart code completion, visual layout editor, built-in emulator, powerful debugging tools, performance profiler, Gradle build support. Real life example. Suppose you are developing a calculator app. Create a new project in Android Studio. Design the calculator interface using XML. Write Java or Kotlin code for calculations. Run the app on an emulator. Use logcat and breakpoints to fix errors. Test the app on real Android phone. Build the APK and distribute it through the Google Play Store.